Hello, my name is Eric Gartman. I'll be highlighting the electrical system of a 1967 Piper Cherokee 180. It's for the requirements of aircraft systems for pilots at LeTourneau University. We're starting inside the cockpit today. We'll be talking about the switches and the fuses that go along with the electrical system. Then we'll move outside the aircraft. We'll look at the battery compartment. And then we'll move up to the engine compartment and we'll look at the starter system, the alternator, and the magnetos. So here we are inside the cockpit. I'll be highlighting the switches here. So we got our master switch, and this is our starter button. We got our pitot heat, fuel pumps, our nav lights, our landing light, and our strobe light. And this is the ignition that controls the magnetos. You got your right and left, and then both. We have a fuse panel over here that has a few fuses on it. We have a couple of fuses here across the bottom, and then we have a couple of fuses here and a couple of fuses here. So that's the electrical system inside the cockpit. We'll move out inside the aircraft now. And this is the baggage compartment. And the bulkhead at the baggage compartment is where the battery is located. Now we'll move along to the front of the aircraft. Got the engine cowling off. And starting at the back of the engine here, we've got the right and the left magneto. And then moving up to the front of the engine, we have the alternator right at the bottom of this belt here. And then right there is the starter. This is the front side of the master switch that's going to control all of the electricity flow from the batteries. And what we're not going to be able to see on the video, it's behind the firewall, are the bus bars that distribute the power to the different components. Pretty short video, pretty simple, of the electrical system. Highlighted a couple of key things on the 1967 Piper Cherokee 180. I guess I can highlight out here on the wing tips. Got the nav lights and strobes. You got your beacon up on the vertical stabilizer, position light. And then your nav light and strobe on the left wing. And then another component of the electrical lighting system would be the landing light. So now that finishes out the electrical system of the 1967 Piper Cherokee 180. Thank you.